Begin this morning with breaking news that will no doubt bring a smile to a lot of faces. If you have ever tried to park in Nashville, you are probably familiar with Metropolis Technologies. The company manages parking lots in and around the downtown area, and we have reported for years on the ongoing problems that folks have had with Metropolis. Now I have confirmed that the company has agreed to a massive legal settlement with the state of Tennessee. Get this, totaling nearly $9 million. According to court filings, Tennessee Attorney General Jonathan Skrmetti and his office opened an investigation into Metropolis in late 2023 after hearing, as we had, from consumers who had been overcharged, even charged for parking when their cars were nowhere near the lot. The AG's investigation found that certain practices of Metropolis violated the Tennessee Consumer Protection Act. And in an agreement that was filed in court late Friday, Metropolis agreed to pay the state $6.5 million in fines. Some of that money will go to customers who never received refunds that should have. And we're talking about claims that date all the way back to July of 2021. Metropolis has also agreed to set up what they're calling the Tennessee Parking Program, under which the company will provide $2.25 million worth of free parking to customers in Nashville, Knoxville, and Memphis. How this will work is that Metropolis will give drivers a promotional code for free parking at participating lots. Each driver then can use that code, which is worth $15 up to 2 times. Metropolis says it will notify existing customers through email about the program and how to get the codes. Under the agreement, Metropolis also, going forward, must make sure there is clear and conspicuous signage at its lots with the current pricing for parking. The customer support line must be staffed by people who can actually assist customers with problems and issues they're facing. And Metropolis may not imply any sort of affiliation with any city or government agency when trying to collect fines. Finally, the company cannot charge for parking if cars leave within 15 minutes, and they need to work to improve their license plate reader technology to reduce the number of times people are erroneously charged. Later this morning, I hope to meet with General Skrmetti to talk about this settlement, and later tonight I'll break down exactly what this settlement could mean for you. But you guys, we have heard from so many people over the years, and finally, relief for them.
Parking downtown anytime is just a pain. This on top of that just makes it so much better.
And really just an incredible job of reporting on this initially. Did this come as a surprise to you in any way? The way this came down and how detailed it really is?
I mean, it addresses so many of the points, including, you know, we had heard from so many people who said, I got a parking ticket for parking when my car wasn't even anywhere there, it wasn't even in the state. And they are addressing it, and they're holding Metropolis's feet to the fire. They say, you need to regularly update us to tell us how many people are erroneously charged. So hopefully, you know, things are changing.
Improving parking downtown.
Some relief. Thank you so much.